guys, magbalat tayo ng beetroot. Natutubo na nga siya, tumutubo na oh. So, maybe this is old already. It's not fresh. Lanta na siya, pero pwede pa rin. This is healthy food. Beetroot. This is beetroot, guys. Kayo ba? Kain kayo ng ng beetroot? Do you eat beetroot? And I have more here. Beetroots. Peeling beetroots, guys. Then, ibaboil natin ito. Let's cook. This is healthy. Ang hirap balat. It's hard. It's hard for me. Ayan. Ayan natin yan. Kasi pumasok na yung soil sa loob. Lupa. Ayan. To remove everything. Ayan. Put it with water. Ayan. We have more. I bought many. Meron sa loob. Pumasok yung dito, mahal dito yung ganito, kaya pumili ako ng marami pag nakakita ako ng ng fresh. If I see fresh like this, I bought many, as I don't want the frozen one. We have the frozen one, but I don't like. I prefer this one. Cook and then frozen it for myself. At least hindi siya alam mo kung kailan na-prepare. Yung mga na-frozen kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan na-prepare yung mga yun. Diba? Still peeling. Sakit sa kamay. Hindi pa ng kutsilyo. The knife is too. Okay, let's put one. Then we have more. Dami. It's hard to peel. Ayan. Peel and peel. Peeling na lang to. Yung video na to, pagpipil. Thanks for watching.